In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a favicon to your WordPress website. Now scroll down and go to Appearance, Customize. So depending on the WordPress theme you are using, it might be under General, or in my case is all the way down here, Core. So Site Identity. All right, so that's what you have to look for, which in your case, if you can find it down here, it's gonna be in here. So I'll scroll down because I'm using the Blogsdom theme. Alright, so I'll click on Site Identity, then right here select Site Icon, click on it. Oh, let me show you something quick. By the way, it says you need 512 by 512 pixels. Alright, so when you are creating your favicon logo, just make sure you don't go over it. And in my case, I use 500 by 500, so I should be fine. Alright, so I'll select Site Icon. Alright, so this is it. So I'll click on it and make sure you add alt text. It's good for SEO. See, this is the size I used. All right, so select, and you can minimize it if you want, but I'll leave it the way it is. Then crop image. Then when you are done, click on publish. All right, so once it's published down here, when you check your dashboard, you have it here. That means you're good. So this is how you're gonna display on the search engine or in the. This is the end. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.